Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Reading Arabic with Muna. Today's lesson is about the letter Ba. Ba is the second letter of the alphabet. The letter Ba resembles the sound of the letter B in English. So in English we call it the letter B and the sound is Ba. In Arabic we call it Ba and the sound is also Ba. Now, if we want to apply the harakat or the diacritics or the short vowels as we discussed previously, we have here the neutral sound with the symbol of sukun. So when you see the symbol, it's b, b. And with fatha, it is ba. With dhamma, bu. And with kasra, bi. B, ba, bu, bi. Now, the letter B is not just an ordinary letter in the alphabet. It has a role and a very important role in an Arabic text. Let's see how. Now, the letter P or the sound pa does not exist in Arabic. We can pronounce it, but there are no Arabic words with this letter. So what do we do if we want to write down an English word, for example, that has the word P? We simply change the P to B, to ba. So if there's a word that has the letter P and we want to write it in Arabic, for example, the word computer, we will change the pa with the ba and it will be computer. Other examples, the word pizza, we write it pizza, and PayPal. If you see this word in Arabic written in Arabic, it will be PayPal, and so on. Now I will give you a small hint to help you to remember that this specific shape represents the sound B. So you will never forget it, inshallah. Okay, now let's take a second and think how can we use this picture to help us never forget the letter Ba. Here we have a side view of a bed, B. And here we have a bug, B. So if you want to remember the Ba, always think of a bug under the bed. I hope you find this helpful. Okay, everyone, that was all for the Ba for today. For your homework, I have two things for you to do. First, I want you to remember that this character here represents the B sound and it is called the letter Ba. Okay? And the second thing I want you to do is that I want you to go back to the part in this video where I was talking about the harakat or the short vowels, and I want you to practice saying the letter Ba with different symbols. Okay, so thank you for watching today's lesson and see you inshallah in a new lesson. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.